Hello traders, how was the day today? So today morning the plan was exactly similar to what we had yesterday, that if we break out of the 3534 area, then we will go up to the 40 to the 56 area, or else if we come down, then we can come down to the 80 area again, and below that if we break that down, we can come down to the bottom of the main trading range, right? So we talked about these tiered trading ranges today and it worked out perfectly. Also, one thing that I noticed in the morning was this was a kind of resistance that was there on the ETA chart at 16.25. I was hoping for a breakout above this, which did happen. I did not get into any trade till 10 o'clock because 10 o'clock we had the consumer confidence news, and that is a big market mover most of the time. So I was waiting to see where the price goes and hits, and if it breaks out above 34, then I will enter into a trade, because I did not want to enter anything in the middle of this trading range right here. So let us take a look at the RTA chart and see what are the trades that we took today. So we just based above this 16.25 line here and went up, and the bulls actually got from 13 to 27, which is around 14 points. I did not take any trades here, but one interesting thing was that we had this EMA daily 40, which has been rejecting for quite some time here. We found the rejection here as well, and we were at the top of the trading range, so I did not want to take any longs here at this point. However, bar 3, 4 and 5 were very bearish, and then bar 6 went up, and then as the bar number 7 trapped the bulls above bar number 6, just below the body gap that we created with 3, 4 and 5, and started coming down, I took a market sell order and I put my stop loss above the high of bar 1. This I considered to be a pullback, and I sold below bar number 9 again. I was hoping to get back to 80. I took some profit in the 9395 area, and then I put my stop loss above this candle. This was never taken out, and I waited for 80. However, even 80 broke down pretty well, and I took the profit on the runner again at 70. I was not interested to play on the long side as long as we do not go above this 13 EMA at least, or I do not find a proper place to go long. For example, if it had gone above 80 here and then we had a strong bar with a follow through, I would have tried to go long here, but there was no point in going long here, and immediately we trapped the bulls here again inside this 5 and 13 EMA cloud. I shorted again below 70. If you remember, 70 we had marked as a good support area yesterday when we were analyzing, and then I was thinking that we may actually come down to the 4-6 area, and then if we drop down further we will be able to see the 3-8 area. That is exactly what happened. I took my first profit around the 4-6 area, held on to my contracts. I sold again below bar number 36 with a stop sell order, and I came out of all my contracts at 38. Now what happened immediately after that was bar number 43 and 44. They were very good reversal bars. If you look at the 15-minute chart, this was a very good trap of the bears right at support, and we had a very good inside bar. And when I saw this bar number 44 happening on the 5-minute chart, I went long here, and I was trying to see if we could get 20 points from this strong candle, right? And I came out of my first contract at 71. That was 20 points from here, and 20 points above bar number 44. And my last contract I came out when this candle got rejected right at the 50% mark at 5480. That is where I came out of my runner contract here. I again went long on this candle number 75 here. It was pretty late in the day, so I had a 7-point stop loss, and I was again thinking that we can get 20 points from here. However, this 200 EMA could not cross over, and then when this candle came down, I finally took my profit right here, and that was the end of my trade. So to summarize the trades, we started with the market order on bar number 7. We took our first profit in the 95 area, and then we held on to our runner, and that finally came out at 5470. We again shorted below bar number 25, and we came out partially at 46, and then all the contracts were out at 38. We went long above bar number 44, and we came out at 20 points above bar number 44. That was the first profit taking at 71, and then the runner came out at 76. We went long again above bar number 75. and we closed all our contracts when we saw that we went above the 80 line but could not hold it and immediately came down. I sold all my contracts below bar number 77. So those were the trades that we had for the day. So if you look at it, why this dump happened, I was thinking that the dump may happen because if you look at the 1 hour chart, this was a bear flag that got created, right? We did go back up, but if you see that we already did a 1:1 of this particular candle, if I leave out the bottom wick, this is the 1:1 that we got in the 543637 area. Now 5438, if it breaks down overnight, if this line, the 33 line, breaks down, then we are going to go down farther in 541820 area and then to maybe to the 10 area. So those are the things that we will have to look what happens overnight. I will come back with the expectations video again in some time, and there we will talk about what are we looking at support as resistance areas. Again, tomorrow is FOMC, so it will be a trap filled day, so we will need to be very careful and be very nimble tomorrow morning, at least till before FOMC. I normally do not trade after 2 o'clock during the FOMC days because the market turns highly volatile and it becomes very difficult to hold on to a trade and see what is happening. As always, please like, share and comment on the video, subscribe to the channel and click on the notification icon, and I'll see you guys with the expectations for tomorrow video very soon. Bye.